Hey caregivers, Lisa Will over here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're asking the question, how can we help our loved ones remember people from their past? And you'll notice when your loved one is in the mild to moderate stages of dementia, they have a really amazing recall for things that happened many years ago. So your loved one may not remember what they had for breakfast, but they can tell you who they sat next to in third grade. It's really amazing. But sometimes they will forget a name. They'll know the face and they'll get frustrated because they can't remember the name. So, a nice activity to do during mild dementia is take out some of the photo albums that your loved one enjoys browsing through, get some nice labels, and as you're going through, stick labels at the bottom of the pictures with the people's names. So, this way, as dementia progresses and your loved one looks in the photo album, instead of getting frustrated because they can't remember someone's name, they can just look and they can read it. And if you have enough space, even put the relation. So you may have somebody sitting next to them in a picture on front steps, and you might want to write Billy, next door neighbor. And just seeing those words will trigger those memories for your loved one. Because sometimes it's not that they can't remember the event or the people, they might just have a hard time remembering the name. So use those labels whenever you can because they can be an amazing tool. We're already using them all around the house. You can get removable labels or you can even get fun ones and stickers, and you can kind of make an activity out of it. You can even do a new scrapbook using old pictures, and you can have your loved one help decorate it. It's a really fun activity. It's hands-on. It creates new neural pathways, and it will help them remember people from their past. For more tips, ideas, and solutions, don't forget to join athomewithdementia.com. Click on to the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.